Now, less than half of the close to 40 schools from Western Jamaica who competed in last year's edition of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships will enter the competition this year. As Daniel McLeod reports, the disclosure was made exclusively to TVJ Sports by Issa President Keith Wellington following the latest assessment of schools battered by Hurricane Melissa last October.
Issa boss Keith Wellington says the fallout from Hurricane Melissa on schools in Western Jamaica will force close to 20 institutions in that part of the island to miss out on champs in March. Wellington says the devastation caused by the Category 5 hurricane was just too much for some schools to recover from in 3 months' time.
Normally we have about anywhere between 30 to 40 schools from the Western region that participate at champs. So far, it appears as if we may have as few as only 15 schools who are in a position to participate at champs this year or even at West champs. The fact is that many of them are still not operating fully in terms of as an educational institution. They would have lost a significant amount of class time and hence training time as well. So we are concerned because they are finding it difficult to come.
Wellington says even the schools from Western Jamaica that managed to commit to participating this year are facing significant difficulties.
And then even those schools that are making an attempt to ensure that the students get the opportunity, the challenge of having to come into Kingston just to compete at the development meet. We have Western champs which we will be unable to keep in Western Jamaica this year as well. So, you know, it's really challenging for the schools in Western Jamaica, and they are concerned that they don't believe that enough is being done to support them, not just since Melissa, but generally speaking, because the issue of the Montgomery Sports Complex has existed for almost 10 years now.
Wellington says Issa and 2 of their partners are doing what they can to assist affected schools.
But we are also trying to make efforts to provide them with track-related items. So, for example, footwear, equipment that they need to train. And we are grateful because Puma has indicated that they are offering some support, not just financially, but they have actually shipped some footwear for these students. Team Jamaica Pickle as well, they have secured about $80,000 worth of footwear that has been sent to Jamaica for us to distribute to these schools. We haven't got them in our possession yet, but we are trying to do things like that.
The Issa Boys and Girls Championships will run from March 24 to 28. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.